Hi, I'm Stéphanie from learnfrenchwithstephanie.com. C'est or il est? Let's talk about it. Today we're going to talk about the difference between c'est and il est, because this is the most common mistake made by French learners. We'll start by talking about c'est singular and ce sont plural. There's no gender for c'est and ce sont. And in a second time, we talk about il est masculine singular, elle est feminine singular, ils sont masculine plural, and elles sont feminine plural. To wrap up, I prepared a recap of the lesson. Let's go! We use c'est to introduce someone, c'est plus name. If you have someone next to you, you can say
C'est Stéphanie.
Oui, c'est Stéphanie. Now, c'est plus determinant, mon, ma, etc. Plus noun. For example, c'est mon frère. We use c'est or ce sont to show something. C'est or ce sont plus determinant plus noun. For example, c'est une pomme. Ce sont des stylos. We use c'est to talk about a date or a day. For example, c'est vendredi. C'est le 14 avril. We use c'est with an adjective to exclaim. For example, c'est beau. C'est super. When we use c'est plus adjective, the adjective is always masculine and singular. For example, if you see mountains, you won't say ce sont belles or c'est belle. No, 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 no. You'll say c'est beau. Okay? We use il est, ils sont, elle est, elles sont to describe a person or a group of people. Elle est petite. Il est petit. Ils sont grands. Elles sont grandes. We use il est, ils sont, elle est, and elles sont to talk about nationality. If you're talking about me, you can say
Elle est française.
Oui, elle est française. Be careful with il est, elle est, ils sont, and elles sont. We do not use a determinant. Un, une, ma, etc. We don't say elle est une française. No, 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 no. No determinant. This is a mistake that French learners often make, but we say elle est française. Okay? We use il est, ils sont, elle est, elles sont to talk about the profession. Il est serveur. Elle est infirmière. Ils sont cuisiniers. And not ils sont des cuisiniers. Non, 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 non. No determinant. We use il est to talk about the hour. For example, il est 2 heures. To wrap up, we use c'est to introduce someone, to show something, to talk about a date or a day, with an adjective to exclaim. We use il est to describe a person or a group of people, to talk about nationality, to talk about the profession, to talk about the hour. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you again for more free lessons. Au revoir, bye, à bientôt, see you soon. The next step is to download my free level test and my free ebook, 5 Steps to Becoming a Confident French Speaker. You learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Thanks so much. Bye. Au revoir.